Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. This channel is going to be helpful for you, so make sure to subscribe. Also, when subscribing the channel, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you can get the notification regarding any video that we're uploading on our channel. So do subscribe as well as turn on the bell icon. And beside this, be a part of our and also be a part of our telegram channel. The link for the telegram channel is given in the description itself. So in this video we are going to talk about some wonderful off campus opportunities for all of you, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's talk about our first opportunity. So that is from Tower Research. As you can see, so they are hiring for fresh graduates C++ for C++ software developer role. So this is the description given regarding C or regarding Tower Research. So basically they are hiring for Gurgaon location as if it is mentioned. Responsibility, so they have mentioned augmenting, improving, redesigning and re-implementing Tower's low latency, high throughput production trading environment, which collects data from and disseminate orders of exchanges around the world, optimizing the platform by using network and systems programming as well as other advanced techniques, developing systems that provide easy access to historical market data and trading simulations, building risk management and performance tracking tools, developing applications that manage various aspects of post-trade lifecycle, including state-of-the-art reconciliation, workflows, compliance, and regulatory systems, etc., shaping the future of Tower through regular interviewing and infrequent campus recruiting trips, developing and managing a hybrid cloud computing environment at Tower, combining cutting edge open source and proprietary technology to create fast build systems. Qualifications, so you are talented, driven, and hungry for a challenge. You believe that there is no limit to what we can accomplish together in a creative, collaborative setting, pairing passion with brilliance. If you refuse to settle for a career that offers anything less, we want to meet you. So you can see here they haven't mentioned any such thing like as marks criteria, percentage criteria, and so, and as if they are hiring for fresh graduates. So this is the opportunity for 2020 and 2021 batch. Requirements include their software development experience as demonstrated through coursework, research projects, or open source activities, preferably in C++ or Java. So it's not like you must be knowing C++. You, as they have mentioned, the C++ or Java that is preferred. But even though that's not mandatory, brilliant problem-solving abilities, the ability to manage multiple tasks in a fast-paced environment, strong communication skill, a working knowledge of Linux, experience with machine learning that will be an advantage, and interest in financial market is also going to be an advantage. Benefits, they have mentioned that why you should work, what are the benefits for working in the tower, so you can just go through it once. Benefits is like competitive salary, 5 weeks of paid vacation per year, lunch and dinner meal allowance on a daily basis, caf facility within Gurgaon, health club allowance. So for applying, you have to simply mention your first name, last name, email, phone. You have to attach your resume, LinkedIn profile, and just simply you can mention that how did you hear about this job, and you have to submit your application. Right. Next opportunity we do have from Google. So Google is hiring for software engineer. You can see for the university graduates, that is this opportunity is for 2021. Minimum qualification they have mentioned is bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience, experience with Unix, Linux, Windows or Mac environments, distributed systems, machine learning, information retrieval and TCP/IP, experience programming in C, C++, Java or Python. Preferred qualification is master's degree or PhD, right? So these are the responsibilities mentioned that what you have to do in this role. So you have to research, conceive and develop software applications to extend and improve on Google's product offering, contribute to a wide variety of projects utilizing natural language processing, artificial intelligence, data compression, machine learning, and search technologies, collaborate on scalability issues involving access to massive amounts of data and information, solve challenges, problems that you are presented with, right? So if you are interested in that particular opportunity, you can apply. Just go through the description once and all sort of information. And if you are finding it suitable, then definitely you should apply. Next opportunity is from Siemens. So they are hiring for graduate trainee engineer. The location mentioned is Bangalore, as you can see here. Now talking, so they are basically saying that, are you looking at developing future leaders? Come join us at Siemens. So change the future with us. So what do you need is that good understanding on OOPS and design patterns, hands-on design and development experience in ASP.NET 4.0 and above. ASP.NET MVC and Web API is a plus. Proficient in Ajax, XML, JavaScript, and HTML. Experience with Microsoft Visual Studio 2008 and above. Experience in SQL programming. Proficient in stored procedure, views, triggers, TSQL query. Now, what do you need to qualify for this job? So, Microsoft SSIS and SSRS is a plus. Good verbal and writing skills. Experience in jQuery is a must. jQuery mobile is a plus. So this basically this opportunity is for mid-level professional, not for the freshers, right? So if you are having some sort of experience already, then you can apply for this particular role, right? So now let's talk about next opportunity. Next opportunity is from Qualys. So Qualys is basically hiring for software quality assurance engineer. Description given is that we invited you to join Qualys Guard security product experts developing high-end cloud-based security. Your responsibilities is going to be work closely with product and development teams to identify, communicate defects, and monitor resolutions. Also, author complete series of acceptance and functional tests, participate in the creation and enhancement of the continuous integration platform used to test all our projects. Now, qualifications, so 0 to 2 years experience in Java is needed. Scripting and manual testing of web-based application with test to break attitude. So 0 to 2 means if you are having the experience, that's also good. Otherwise, then also, if you don't have, then also you can apply. Now, you must be a critical thinker with excellent verbal and written communication skills, knowledge of relational database, and practical abilities in performing SQL queries, Oracle, and above is going to be a plus. Must be proficient with XML, HTTP, and HTTPS protocols. Experience with Apache, Tomcat, web servers, and web application development. Strong experience with automation test tools, and good troubleshooting skills with Kafka and Cassandra technology. So this is the stuff that they have mentioned in the qualification. So if you are interested, also the job location mentioned is Pune, India, so you should apply. Now for all these particular job roles, the link is provided in the description itself, so you can just check it from there. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.